What is SD-WAN? The core of SD-WAN is SDN, software-defined networking, which logically separates the control layer and the data layer within the underlying infrastructure, abstracting control so the infrastructure can be automated and programmed from a common controller via software. SD-WAN takes the principles of SDN and applies them to the wide area network. Simply put, the WAN is the highway that interconnects enterprise resources to each other. Now, when we talk about the WAN, we talk about transports or methods of connectivity. Some examples are broadband, Metro Ethernet, T1, MPLS, and LTE. Usually we verbalize the WAN as a single entity, but many organizations have more than one WAN because connectivity will vary based on location and availability. Each site could have combinations of MPLS, LTE, or broadband. Each transport is viewed as a separate WAN, which is managed separately, has unique addressing, and may even have different providers. SD-WAN simplifies this and makes it easier to manage. It takes all these different WANs and converts what used to be separate, disparate networks into one common encrypted network managed by software. So why does SD-WAN matter? Achieve higher network performance and dramatically improve availability and application user experience by intelligently leveraging multiple paths. Gain visibility and active monitoring for the network and the applications running on it. The network becomes a single entity controlled from a single point, increasing agility. Quickly deploy new sites, services, or just more bandwidth with no truck rolls or on-site expertise. SD-WAN is a revolutionary technology. It's designed to streamline processes, saving time and money, but more importantly, turn a network into an application-intelligent and fully automated software-defined infrastructure. To learn more about this business-transforming technology and what it can do for you, visit our website today.